Guys, to nagbabalik tayo ulit guys. Ayan guys. Dito na tayo sa bus. Uwi na tayo guys, no? Ayan guys. Dito na tayo sa 123 Street 7 Avenue. So, ayan guys. Magkita tayo guys. Pasensya na guys. Dadayin na dito guys. Tayo lang tayo guys. Ayan guys. 10th Street lang tayo guys, no? Ayan guys. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo sa 116th Street. Ayan guys.
116th Street. 137th Avenue.
Ayan guys. Dito na tayo sa 116th Street. Update ko lang kayo guys. Ito na vlog guys. Thank you. So, guys, ito na tayo guys. Baba lang natin guys, no? So, may garage sale pala dito guys, no? Multi family. Ayan guys. Dito siya banda guys, no? Kanina guys. Wala na guys, no? So, patawid na tayo guys. Kumain na ako kanina guys. So, ayan guys, no? So, tawid na tayo kasi wala namang dadaan na sasakyan. So, ayan guys, no? Nakatawid na tayo guys. So, nakauwi tayo ng ligtas guys. Yan guys. So, pasensya na guys, no? Medyo madilim na ata dito guys. Ay, hindi medyo guys, dilim na guys. So, ito guys, parang 6 PM guys, no? So, sa Pilipinas guys. So, ayan guys. Papasok na tayo sa Bacolod guys. So, ayan guys. So, ayan guys, dito muna magtatapos yung vlog natin guys. Update ko lang kayo bukas guys, 10 to 6 pasok ko guys. So, Charlie, so have a wonderful day and have a nice day. Keep safe and I will see you for my next vlog. Peace out, bye bye.